Okay, now let's proceed. So what we are going to do next is to remove adapters. We are going to perform a basic adapter trimming. So we are going to use a tool called PoreChop. I repeat, our next activity is going to be the removal of adapters from this data. This is an Oxford Nanopore data. So we are going to use a tool called PoreChop to do this. Now for PoreChop, I've already covered the command line version of that tutorial. And so if you're interested, you can also check the description box for that video. All right, so let's go back to the tools here. So we are going to search for PoreChop and then use that for the adapter trimming. So here, just clear this and then just type PoreChop. Let's search for it. So we have that here. So this is the PoreChop tool. So you have to click it and then you will have something like this coming up. All right, so here, because we are dealing with a dataset collection, you have to come to this side here. This one here, dataset collection. This is single dataset. This is multiple dataset. This is a dataset collection. That's what we are going to do because that is how the data has been structured. So click on dataset collection, and when you click it, you have this file here, this dataset collection, this data here. You have the name indicated here. If you don't see it, just click and then select it. But that's what will come, by the way, if that's the only dataset collection you have. So once you see this, you can proceed. Now the output format here, I'll select fastq.gz. I want the output to be in this format, fastq.gz. That means it should be compressed. Since we are performing basic adapter trimming, I'll leave the default settings. I'll not change anything here. I'll just leave them as it is. So what I'm going to do next is to click the run tool to do that. I'll just click it to run it. So what we will have to do is to wait for PoreChop to complete its work. So let's do that and then we can proceed. Okay, PoreChop has completed its work. So we have the output here.